Welcome to the best picks. The best Zamp Solar Panels is probably one of the most sought-after portable power solutions for RVs today, offering a blend of portability, efficiency, and durability that enhances your off-grid adventures. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive review, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your RV lifestyle. Number 5. Zamp Solar 140W Folding Kit. Introducing the Zamp Solar 140W Folding Kit. It's portable power, ready when you are, perfect for your adventures. It easily powers your interior lights, laptops, handheld devices, even fridges and fans. Enjoy reliable power wherever you go. This kit features a built-in 3-stage charge controller. It's designed to work with all battery types, ensuring safe and efficient charging. Take it with you anywhere. It's compact and easily fits in RVs, trucks, campers, and boats, providing real-world power in off-grid locations. Unfold it, connect it, and enjoy reliable solar power. It's that simple. Get yours today and experience the freedom of off-grid power. The Zamp Solar 140W Folding Kit gives you the power you need, when you need it. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have a reliable power source. What we like. It's lightweight and foldable for easy portability. If you need a simple solution for charging devices on the go, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for smaller RVs or those who prioritize ease of use and portability. What people say. The unit is quite heavy, which is a tribute to how solidly it's built. They aren't light, so the carry storage case is indispensable and the attached handle makes carrying it a breeze. Plug and play. Perfect for our Bambi trailer. We like that the Bambi can be in the shade while the panels are in the sun. Number 4. Zamp Solar Legacy 180W Kit. This portable solar panel kit is perfect for off-grid adventures. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to start generating solar power. It's built with pride in the USA using high-quality materials. You can trust in its durability and performance. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our exceptional 25-year warranty on its power output. It boasts best-in-class solar cells, ensuring maximum power generation even in less than ideal conditions. Get the most out of your solar energy. No installation is required, it's ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold it and start charging your batteries. It's compatible with most 12-volt batteries, including lithium. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. It seamlessly integrates with Zamp Solar Ready RV ports for a convenient and efficient charging solution. Enjoy a streamlined setup. It comes with both an SAE plug and alligator clips for easy connection to various devices and batteries. It offers flexibility in how you connect. The integrated charge controller protects your battery and lets you monitor your power levels. It ensures safe and efficient charging. This complete kit includes a foldable 180W panel, a 15-amp charge controller, a convenient nylon carrying case, and a 15-foot cable. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This boasts high wattage and comes with a long warranty. If you're looking for reliable, long-lasting power and peace of mind, this is the one. Its American craftsmanship ensures quality and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for long-term off-grid use. What people say. These are well-made, quality solar panels which are manufactured in the USA and have a 25-year warranty. Keeps my house batteries charged on my 2021 Keystone Hideout. Literally take it out of package, unfold, plug in and you're done. Everything is attached. This worked great for our 10-day camping trip with no hookups. We kept this plugged into our batteries our entire stay and typically added 50-70 Ah per day depending on how much sunlight during the day with 180W panels. Number 3. Zamp Obsidian 100W Solar Kit. This kit offers a sleek and efficient way to power your RV. It's perfect for off-grid adventures and keeping your batteries charged. It's designed to be lightweight and low profile, so it won't weigh down your RV or obstruct your view. Enjoy seamless integration with your roof. With 100 watts of power, it's ideal for charging your RV batteries. It provides reliable solar energy for your off-grid needs. This kit is designed for easy installation on your RV roof. You'll be enjoying solar power in no time. It's the perfect solution for off-grid adventures. Enjoy reliable power wherever your travels take you. It's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. What we like. It offers a low profile and lightweight design for easy roof mounting. If you value a sleek, unobtrusive solar solution that's simple to install, this is a great choice. It's perfect for RVs where space is at a premium. Number 2. Zamp Obsidian 90-watt Solar Kit. This innovative kit offers a sleek and efficient solution for off-grid solar power. It's perfect for RVs and other applications where space is limited. It boasts a low-profile, lightweight design, making it easy to install and transport. This ensures it won't weigh down your RV. With its 90-watt power output, it provides reliable power for charging your RV batteries. Enjoy extended adventures without worrying about running out of power. It's designed for simple roof mounting, making installation a breeze. No special tools or expertise are needed. It's the ideal off-grid power solution for RVs and other mobile applications. Enjoy the freedom of solar power wherever you go. It's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. You can trust it to keep your batteries charged. What we like. This is another low-profile, lightweight option for easy installation. If you need a smaller, less powerful roof-mounted system, this is a great option. It's ideal for smaller RVs or those who want a simple, efficient setup. Number 1. Zamp Legacy 680-watt Solar Kit. Power your RV or tiny home with the Zamp Legacy 680-watt Solar Kit. It's the perfect off-grid solution for sustainable energy. This kit is proudly handcrafted in the USA, ensuring superior quality and durability. You can depend on it for years to come. We're so confident in its performance, it comes with an impressive 25-year output warranty. That's peace of mind for your investment. Designed for easy installation, it simplifies the process of harnessing solar energy. Get it up and running quickly and easily. It utilizes best-in-class solar cells, maximizing energy efficiency and output. Get the most power from the sun. It charges most types of 12-volt batteries, including lithium. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. Easily expand your system's capacity up to 10-20 watts. Grow your solar power as your needs grow. The included 60-amp charge controller with a remote LCD display monitors and protects your batteries and panels. It's smart and safe. Everything you need is included, for 170-watt panels, a 60-amp controller, remote display, wiring harness, and mounting hardware. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. It offers a massive power output and is easily expandable. If you need a powerful system for a larger RV or tiny home, this is the best option. Its expandability makes it perfect for future upgrades and increasing your off-grid energy needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.